Hello students, today we are going to talk about electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes, and one of the example of electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction also known as alkylation of haloarenes. तो haloarenes में alkylation कैसे होता है and how it takes place that we are going to discuss. Now when chlorobenzene react with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous AlCl3 is Lewis acid as we know, and it is electron deficit species. Okay, so when chlorobenzene react with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, we will get 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene or 1-chloro-4-methyl benzene. These two products we will get orthochlorotoluene or parachlorotoluene we will get. Okay, now parachlorotoluene will be produced in major amount. Why? Because it is more symmetrical and due to less steric effect hindrance. Steric hindrance means here you can see that more crowd is present here as compared to this product. Here the less crowd and more symmetrical product will be obtained here. So that is why this product will be obtained in major quantity, and here we will get minor product of 1-chloro-2-methyl benzene. So I hope it is clear now. Now what is the mechanism behind it? Mechanism की जब हम बात करेंगे, so first of all what happened, this methyl chloride undergoes through the heterolytic cleavage. यहाँ पे क्या होता है, एक heterolytic cleavage होता है, और ये heterolytic जो cleavage है, this heterolytic cleavage is activated by anhydrous AlCl3. anhydrous AlCl3 क्या करता है, methyl chloride के बीच के जो बॉन्ड है उसको एक्टिवेट करता है मिथाइल क्लोराइड को हेट्रोलिटिक क्लीवेज के लिए. इसमें क्या होता है हेट्रोलिटिक क्लीवेज में कि क्लोरीन विल टेक ऑल द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विच शेयर्ड इन द बॉन्डिंग, एंड इन दैट वे द मिथाइल ग्रुप is left as electron deficit, and that is what the electrophile, and AlCl4 is formed. So this electrophile attack on the chlorobenzene ring, and we know that in chlorobenzene or in haloarenes, ortho and para position is electron rich position. So on the ortho, either from the ortho or para or both, the position will be occupied by the electrophile, and we will get ortho and para directive product along with hydrogen. This hydrogen has been removed from this position where the electrophile is attached. ये जो हाइड्रोजन मिला है ये उन पोजीशन से मिला है जहाँ से इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैच हुआ. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड स्टेप, राइट. दिस इलेक्ट्रोफाइल अटैच इन either on the ortho position or in the para position, removing the or substituting the hydrogen. Now in the last step, this AlCl4 and H plus again react, and AlCl3 will be regenerated, and because we have taken as a catalyst, so we can say it is regenerated catalyst. हमने AlCl3 को एज ए कैटलिस्ट लिया था, तो यहाँ वापस हमें कैटलिस्ट मिल जाता है, साथ में हमें मिलता है HCl. तो here you can write minus HCl. Since alkyl group is added in this reaction, इस रिएक्शन में क्या होता है, alkyl group ऐड हो जाता है, इसीलिए इसको alkylation भी बोलते हैं. And it was observed or carried out by the Friedel-Crafts, their scientist. Okay, so that is why after the name of scientist this reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction or Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Now let's move to the next type of reaction, that is acetylation. You know what is acetylation? This is acetyl chloride. So when acetyl chloride is react with chlorobenzene, what will happen in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3? Anhydrous AlCl3 again, it is a Lewis acid, electron deficit, right? So we will get ortho and para derivative compound. So the name of this compound is 2-chloroacetophenone. This is phenol group, phenol, right? Aceto, 2 carbon, pheno, this ring, and ONE, carbon with ketone group. So acetophenone, 2 chloro, 2 position पे chloro, 1 2 2 chloroacetophenone, and this is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 chloroacetophenone. So these ortho and para derivative we will get. These are IUPAC name of these compound. And here also we will get this 4 or para derivative compound in the measured quantity as compared to ortho derivative compound because of less steric hindrance and more symmetrical. Now comes to the mechanism की बात करेंगे. सबसे पहले क्या होगा, एनहाइड्रस AlCl3 एक्टिवेट करेगा एसिटिल क्लोराइड को हिट्रोलिटिक क्लीवेज के लिए. ये जो बॉन्ड है इसमें से क्लोरीन अपने शेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन लेके अटैच हो जाएगा, AlCl4- बनाएगा, और बाकी जो रह जाएगा एसिड CH3CO positive. This will act as a electrophile. And here we can see once the electrophile is formed, इलेक्ट्रोफाइल यहाँ बन गया है, तो ये क्लोरोबेंजीन रिंग पे अटैक करेगा और आर्थो और पैरा पोजीशन से अटैच हो जाएगा और हमें आर्थो पैरा डेरिवेटिव कंपाउंड्स देगा. तो जब ये अटैच होगा आर्थो और पैरा पोजीशन पे, वहाँ से हाइड्रोजन को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देगा, और जब हाइड्रोजन को सब्स्टिट्यूट करेगा तो हमें H+ यहाँ पे वापस मिलेगा. This H+ and AlCl4- again will react in the next step and form HCl, which is removed here, right? HCl यहाँ पे क्या होगा, HCl रिमूव हो जाएगा और AlCl3 will be attacked. Again we will get as catalyst. So this will be called regenerated catalyst. So this is how acetylation and Friedel-Crafts reaction is take place in haloarenes. I hope you understand.